the funeral today. I just realized God kept me here for a reason. Niggas dying every day, every season. Just lost my aunt, so I'm still grieving. Think about my grandma every Sunday evening. Yeah, soul still bleeding. Yeah, smoke still reeking. Yeah, sometimes I can still hear the devil speaking. Why you take him away? Still don't believe it. On the other hand, yeah, these bitches sneaky. Thought I had it wrapped around my pinky, but like a faucet, started leaking. Just ask, give me a reason. Why you trading on me? Played on the same team. I just roll up, stop and think. Before I do something crazy, quick before you blink. Yeah, my love was big, but now it's sink. Used to see hearts, but that shit is dead. Yeah, that 3 with that K, yeah, I spent that bread. Yeah, my B-day was like your birthday bash. Yeah, it's all on me, guess that's what they said. I'm like finesse, think I'm going fed. Thinking roadkill, leave everybody dead. So much trauma in my life, you better go ahead. Live your best life, like Duval said. Keep calling my phone, I don't want no head, but got a chopper, one up in the head. And when I go to sleep, I dream about death. How I take a nigga life, leave nothing left. No pieces, but rest in pieces. Yellow tape, so when you drive by, you know the meaning. I'm sorry, I'm just grieving. I'm sorry, I'm just grieving. Don't get it fucked up, you might not know the meaning. Not about 3-5 on this.